Hey, good morning. What's up, guys? This is Kendall with Severa Wood Floor Refinishing. So, guys, we're working in the Three Village area, Stony Brook. We are doing install, 3 1/4 white oak, top floor. The rest of the house is going to be a screen and recoat. And I'll take you inside in a minute and I'll show you guys how beautiful these floors came out. Okay, if you need floors, full sand and refinish, full sand refinish and stain, you want install, buff and a coat, anything you need, you can reach out to us. All right, this is our company, Severa Wood Floor Refinishing. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so if you see us driving through Setauket, this is who we are. Okay, you can give us a call, 631-866-1972, or you can visit our website. We do project estimator on our website, so you can have a rough idea of what the cost is going to be for your investment. So please reach out to us. Thank you. Hey, good morning, guys. This is Kendall with Severa Wood Floor Refinishing. So we are working in the Three Village area, Stony Brook actually. We did an install of 2 1/4 white oak select. This is a beautiful floor. The select white oak really looks nice, and we finished this in an amber tint. I'm going to, for a more warmer traditional look, I'm going to flip the camera. Just look how beautiful this floor is, okay? I'm just going to do a little close up. So the white oak select is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous wood. Okay, this is a good quality. There's no knots in this floor. I'm gonna come over this side, show you guys what we did. Okay, we also UV cured these floors. After the UV machine is just cooling down, we just finished UV curing these floors. Okay, guys, so that is the white oak select that we install. If you ever in need of having, new floors in your home, give us a, just contact us at severawoodfloorrefinishing.com, and that's our website. You can log on. We do have a price estimator on our website, so you can, whatever you're doing, sand and refinish. If you want to stain the floor, buff and a coat, we do have an estimator to give you an idea of what the investment you're going to be making is going to cost. Okay, so yeah, once again, this is Kendall with Severa. Some beautiful, beautiful white oak select 2 1/4. Reach out to us and we'll take care of you. We cover the Three Village area, surrounding area, town of Brookhaven, Stony Brook, Setauket, Pequot, Oldfield, St. James. These are the areas that we cover. Okay, thank you very much.